I'm Mark Colborne, Managing Director of Flexco Australia. Mining is a core industry of Australia and generates a huge portion of our GDP. Flexco provides Australian-designed and engineered solutions to the local and greater mining industry. Our local engineering and manufacturing team develop our most popular products, being our pulley lagging and tungsten carbide cleaning tips. Our pulley lagging eliminates slippage, boosts productivity, and increases the lifespan of the system. Our tungsten carbide cleaning tips not only clean better and more efficiently, but they also reduce wear and tear on the belt.
We aim to source most of our raw material as much as possible from Australian suppliers and Australian sources. By sourcing locally as much as we can, we ensure to maintain the quality and consistency in the quality of the raw material we receive.
Our customers know and trust in Australian-made products, and it was vital for us to showcase our heritage and help our customers in finding a quality solution. Australian-made products are known the world over to be not only high quality, but to reliably uphold safe manufacturing practices that ensure customer safety and satisfaction downstream. Ensuring the survival of Australian manufacturing and production is paramount to the growth and prosperity of this wonderful country.